The pea is most commonly the small spherical seed or the seed pod of the flowering plant species Pisum sativum. Each pod contains several peas, which can be green or yellow. Botanically, pea pods are fruit, since they contain seeds and develop from the ovary of a flower. What is a pea called? Pea, Pisum sativum, also called garden pea, herbaceous annual plant in the family Fabaceae, grown virtually worldwide for its edible seeds. Peas can be bought fresh, canned, or frozen, and dried peas are commonly used in soups. What are the 4 types of peas? There are 3 different types of peas, each suited to different ways of eating them: snap peas, snow peas, and shelling peas. Are peas good for you? Peas are a good source of vitamins C and E, zinc, and other antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. Other nutrients, such as vitamins A and B and coumestrol, help reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis. Is pea a fruit or veg? Fruit. Botanically, pea pods are fruit, since they contain seeds and develop from the ovary of a pea flower. Which pea is the healthiest? Green peas are one of the best plant-based sources of protein, which is a major reason why they are so filling, along with their high amount of fiber. Is it okay to eat peas every day? Having excessive amounts of green peas can lead to bloating of the stomach in some people. Call brought a study by the Harvard School of Public Health to our notice, according to which raw green peas have some anti-nutrients like lectin and phytic that may cause bloating accompanied by gas and flatulence. Is peas a protein or vitamin? Protein. Peas are a good source of protein, making them an ideal alternative to animal protein in a plant-based diet or an alternative to soybean protein. Is pea good for skin? A protective polyphenol called coumestrol found in green peas is said to help prevent stomach cancer. As strange as it sounds, they are also said to be great for your skin. A fistful of green peas daily is said to keep wrinkles and fine lines away.